Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a crab trap cage. First, gather your essential materials, including galvanized wire mesh, sturdy zip ties, and reliable wire cutters. Next, carefully cut your mesh into 4 side panels, 1 top and 1 bottom piece, ensuring all dimensions are uniform. Then, gently bend the mesh pieces to begin forming the basic rectangular or square shape of your trap's main body. Now, connect all the cut mesh panels together using your sturdy zip ties, ensuring every connection point is tight and completely secure. Next, carefully construct a funnel-shaped entrance on one side of the trap, designed to allow crabs to easily enter but making it quite difficult for them to exit. Finally, firmly attach a small, secure bait holder inside the trap, positioned strategically to attract crabs effectively. To enhance durability, reinforce all connections with additional zip ties or even some wire. Next, add a weighted base to your trap, perhaps using bricks or rebar, to ensure it remains stable on the seabed and doesn't drift. Lastly, securely attach a strong buoy line to your trap, making it easy to locate and retrieve from the water. When deploying, place your finished crab trap in areas known for crab activity, like near rocky bottoms or seagrass beds. Remember to check your trap regularly, perhaps every few hours or daily, to collect your catches and replenish the bait. Also, consider reinforcing any wear and tear over time to extend your trap's lifespan. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.